Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the Panasonic HC-X2000 UHD 4K Pro Camcorder Starter Bundle. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price possible. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, or event videographer, this camcorder brings some serious power, flexibility, and versatility to the table. Design and build. The Panasonic HC-X2000 is one of the most compact and lightweight 4K camcorders out there, but don't let its size fool you. It feels sturdy, professional, and built to last. The ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, even during long shoots, and it's packed with features for pros. 4K video quality. Let's talk video quality. This camcorder captures UHD 4K at up to 60 frames per second, and the results are stunning. The level of detail, color accuracy, and smoothness in motion is everything you'd expect from a high-end professional camera. Whether you're shooting in low light or full daylight, the 1/2.5 8.29mm sensor delivers crisp, clear images with impressive dynamic range. Zoom and lens. The 24x optical zoom is a standout feature. It gives you the flexibility to shoot from a distance without compromising on image quality. Whether you're capturing wildlife, sports, or close-up shots, the zoom remains smooth and effective. Paired with 5-axis Hybrid O.I.S stabilization, it keeps your shot steady, even when you're at full zoom or handheld. Connectivity. One thing that sets this camcorder apart is its 3G-SDI and HDMI outputs, making it perfect for live streaming and professional productions. You also get built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to wirelessly control the camera or stream directly to platforms like YouTube or Facebook. Bundle extras. This starter bundle is a dream for professionals. You get a Sandisk Extreme Pro 64GB SD card, which is perfect for 4K recording, offering fast read/write speed so you never miss a frame. The soft case is a great addition, offering ample protection during transport. Plus, the cleaning and care set ensures your gear stays in top shape over time. Battery life. One of the best things about the HC-X2000 is the long-lasting battery life. You can shoot for extended periods without worrying about constantly recharging, which is essential for long events or all-day shoots. Final thoughts. Overall, the Panasonic HC-X2000 UHD 4K Pro Camcorder is a powerhouse for any video professional. It offers outstanding 4K video quality, incredible zoom, professional-grade connectivity, and the compact design makes it perfect for run-and-gun filming. With the added bonuses of this starter bundle, you're ready to shoot right out of the box. Highly recommended for anyone looking to take their video production to the next level. If you're interested in this camcorder, check the link below for the best price available today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.